Yon, what's up mga kalumutes? Yan, dito tayo ngayon. Kasama natin si Kulit, ang ating Red Mirage G4. Siyempre, magdadagdag tayo na accessories ulit ngayon sa kanya. Mamaya makikita nyo kung ano yung accessories na ilalagay natin kay Kulit. Kasi isa to sa mga kailangan din natin para sa pag bumabiyahe tayo na kasama si Kulit, kasi mamaya i-expose natin kung ano yung mga upgrade na accessories na ilalagay natin kay Kulit. Tapos sunod, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano pa yung mga iba nating nalagay. So panoorin nyo na lang tong video na to para mabigyan ko rin kayo ng tip kung ano at kung magkano at kung sino ang maglalagay ng mga accessories ito. So see you out. Subscribe.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
H11 yan, sir, no?
Stainless yung mga bolt. Iba kasi yun eh.
Kinakalawang na yun, no? Sukat na sukat pala yung DLAA, no?
Yung pagka-phone yan, hindi so, magtatabas pa ng ano nun, switch eh. Mangingitim yung switch mo na itim eh. Ay, mamumutay yung switch mo na itim eh. Pag kinabasan eh. Abala rin sa install.
Nauuso rin mga ano yun, no? Projector na ano, pag light.
Oo. Ano yan eh. Palit ka rin yan pag na...
Oo. Parang disposable, no? Dito na dito, bumbilya lang palit.
Kahit anong ilang bumbilya ipalit mo. Pag lumabo, wala na. Hindi mo palit. Mahal din yun.
Mahal nga. Makita ko sa Facebook kung mahal eh. Ano guys, nagkakabit na ng switch para sa ating fog light. Yan, yung mga slot na switch doon mismo ilalagay. Yan, ang brand pala ng ating fog lamp is DLAA. Kasama na yung switch and harness. Yan, dyan mismo ilalagay yan. Sa mga slot na yan. Yan ang ating Bosch Europa.
Ito minsan kasi hindi nila nakakabit ng gomong to eh. Mas mabilis nga naman install pag walang goma.
Kaso baka pag nababasa magkakaproblema pag wala yung goma.
Oo, pag walang goma. Hindi mo lang ba ito? Nakaganyan ka lang. Sige. Ulitin ka na lang. Umikot na? Ay, wala ka pang butas yun eh.
Iwasan na yan dyan.
Lock nut yung gamit natin.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Sound check.
Oops! Ay, putang isa.
Busina check. Nice.
Ano ba nakalabas dito? Ay, di okay. Ilaw. Switch. Yung, ayan, okay. Apa?
So, ayun guys, nakita nyo na ang bago nating kinabit sa ating Mirage G4 2025. Syempre, kailangan natin yung medyo maganda-gandang busina. Kasi nung tinanggal, isang piraso lang yung stock, apakaliit pa, mahina pa sa motor yung tunog. So ngayon yan, nagpalit tayo ng syempre ng Bosch Europa. Tapos nagpalagay tayo ng DLAA. Yan, DLAA na fog lamp. So yan, okay naman. Kaya yun, meron na tayong dagdag ilaw sa gabi. Kasi napakahina ng ng stock. So yun naman ang next natin na papalitan dito, ilaw, fog light, tsaka headlight. So yun. Salamat sa panonood mga kapatid. So ayun guys, nakita nyo naman, napakalinis ng gawa ni Sir Jeff Barcibal ng HD Car Accessories. Yun, ng header, yun, header yung HD nya. Napakalinis, parang walang nangyari, diba? Walang malinis yung pagkagawa ng kanyang installation ng Bosch Europa na horn at ng fog lamp. So ayan, oh. Malinis, so may pag lamp na yan. Wait, ano natin, buksan natin yung ilaw. So ayan, bukas na yan. Dagdag ilaw sa gabi. Yan. At ang pinakamaangas dito guys, ayan, yung Bosch Europa na yan. Napakaangas naman, sir. Diba? So ayun, for your inquiries, message nyo lang si Jeff Barcebal. Lagay natin ang link ng kanyang Facebook sa video na to, para kung may mga inquiries kayo guys, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, napakamura, napakadaling kausap, napakabilis gumawa at napakalinis gumawa. Kitang kita mo na talagang gamay na gamay niya yung mga ginagawa niya. So yun, salamat sir sa iyong napakalupit na pag-install ng ating Bosch Europa na horn at fog lamp. Thank you po.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek